Welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple process of changing your password on Discord from your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open up Discord on your computer. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the steps will be the same. Next, head over to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on the gear icon right next to it. This will take you to the user settings menu. Once you're in the user settings, look for the option labeled My Account in the left sidebar. Click on that to access your account details. Now you'll see a section that says Change Password. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the real action happens. You'll need to fill in your current password first. Enter your existing password in the designated field. Make sure to double-check it for accuracy. Next, it's time to create your new password. Type your desired new password into the designated box. Make sure it's strong and secure. After that, you'll need to confirm your new password by typing it in again. This ensures that you didn't make any mistakes while entering it. Finally, once you've filled everything out, click on the Done button to save your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Discord password. And that's it. You're all set with a new password. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting on Discord.